Do all window air conditioners leak water? Window AC units work efficiently for a long time, provided that the installation is done with high quality, the device is in good order, and maintenance is carried out in a timely manner. But one of the most common questions is that do all window air conditioners leak water? Not all window air conditioners leak water, but some definitely do. Failure to comply with the care needed to operate the device can lead to unpleasant consequences, for example, water dripping from the air conditioner into the floor of your home. There may be several reasons for this. The most common causes of water leaks from the air conditioner. 1. Incorrect installation. The window air conditioner should be installed so that the rear is slightly lower than the front. This allows the water removed from the room air to flow to the back of the unit. The required difference between the front and back is about 3 centimeters. This is the first thing to check. Many of the air conditioners are improperly installed due to the rush to get relief from the heat quickly. If the front of the air conditioner is set too low, water will flow into the room instead of flowing outside. If the air conditioner is installed too low at the back, water will tend to flow out at the edges rather than through the drains on the back wall as it simply cannot get there. 2. Icing. After removing humidity from the air, the water can turn into ice if there are problems with the cooling system. Remove the front grille while the unit is operating, and if there is ice on the cooling system, it will likely need to be repaired. 3. Air seepage into the air conditioner. If warm air enters the air conditioner, it enters the cooler and dehumidifier. In such cases, condensation will form. If water is leaking from the front of the air conditioner, check if it's dripping from the base of the unit or if it's leaking from the area adjacent to the front of the air conditioner. To check this, turn on the unit for 30 minutes and then using a flashlight examine the front edge of the unit from below. Small water droplets in this area indicate an air seepage problem. Use insulating foam to stop warm air from entering the interior of the device. 4. Drain hole blocked. The back of the air conditioner has holes or groove moves for water drainage. If they become clogged, water may flow back. To check this, run the air conditioner for 30 minutes and then see if water flows out. If water does not come out of the back of the air conditioner, the drain holes are clogged, use a small chip to clean them. To ensure that the water is drained, never drill additional holes on the air conditioner which can cause serious damage. 5. Blocking of internal drains. Inside the air conditioner, there are small passages that allow water to flow from the front of the air conditioner to the rear. If they're blocked, water will collect at the front of the unit and flow out onto the floor. In this case, the air conditioner must be dismantled and returned to service. 6. The temperature outside the window is too low. This occurs at the end of the refrigeration season. If the temperature outside the window drops below -15 degrees Celsius at night, ice may form on the cooling system. If water does not flow from the air conditioner when it's turned off at night but appears in front of the unit in the morning, it's very likely that this is the problem. Turn off the air conditioner before going to bed and restart it during warmer hours. An alternative would be to operate the unit at night in fan-only mode. This will allow air to circulate in the room during the night and prevent it from cooling.